Behringer Euphoria Omnibus Audio Interface Review. Is it worth it? Most people get this wrong, but the Behringer Euphoria Omnibus is more capable than many realize. You won't believe the features packed into this affordable USB audio interface. The Omnibus offers 4 inputs and 4 outputs, making it versatile for recording vocals, instruments, or multiple mics simultaneously. It supports Midas design preamps, providing clear and professional sound quality for its price range. Connectivity is simple via USB 2.0, compatible with both Windows and Mac. Latency is low, allowing real-time monitoring during recording. Each channel has its own gain control, plus zero latency direct monitoring. The surprising truth is that despite its budget-friendly price, the Omnibus competes with interfaces costing twice as much, especially for home studios. Build quality is solid, though it's not as compact as some modern models. In conclusion, if you're looking for an affordable, versatile, and high-quality audio interface for recording vocals, instruments, or podcasts, the Behringer Euphoria Omnibus is worth considering. It delivers professional-grade sound without breaking the bank.